Hey YouTube, this is A108, and it's my birthday. It's my 18th birthday, for that record. And for my birthday, my little brother, how cute is he? He bought me 2 packs of Primal Origins and some other stuff for my France trip. But, I'll open these up right now for you. So hang on one momento, por favor. Now that they're opened, by the way, I'm in French Honor Society, and I just spoke Spanish, I think. Let me open these up. I do these so socially awkward. Because I hate going off screen in case I pull something really good and then you'll think, oh, I want switching stuff or whatever. Okay. Ancient Gear Box. Blizzard Thunderbird. Galactic Charity. Artifact Aegis. Gladiator Beast Augustus. Evo Singularity. Found that. 100-footed Horror. And Last Counter for pack number 1. We move to pack number 2. Ripping this bad boy open. Getting an Ancient Gear Box. A Galaxy Dragon. ZS Vanished Sage. Ghost Trick Parade. Don Thousand's Triumph. Awesome. A Vanity's Fiend. A Majesty's Fiend. Secret. I don't think that was even on camera. My bad. That's really cool. Batlin Boxer. Big something. Big Bondage. It's all the same. Artifact Archulade. And 48 Shadow Leash. So, to recap, that's a good comment, by the way. But, Augustus, Don Zala, this has been completely off camera, I'm so sorry. And a Majesty's Fiend, that is so cool. Secret Rare, you've seen it here first. Not really, but, yeah, this has been A108. Peace. Peace. Sorry.